While your drawings are loading, I wanted to quickly walk you through how Countfire changes the way you approach takeoffs, and why it's a bit different from what you might be used to. Traditionally, you'd manually count each symbol one by one. With Countfire, you just select a symbol once, and the software finds and counts every matching one across the entire drawing. So instead of thinking, I'm counting this, think of it as, I'm showing Countfire what to look for. Once it knows what a symbol looks like, it takes care of the counting for you. To get started, we recommend turning the background off, as that makes the symbols stand out clearly. Next, zoom in on the symbol you want to take off. Then click and drag a box around your first symbol. Give it a name that makes sense to you. To create your next symbol, click Create Symbol or press the C key, and then draw a box around the next one. And that's it. Countfire will automatically find everything that matches each of your selections. You can save your work at any point by pressing the A key, and it will even search across all of your other drawings as well. I hope this helps get you started, but if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us via the orange help button in the bottom right hand corner.